Hi everyone, I'm Aranjendu Barpati. Today I'm here to explain my CPT learnings. So firstly, to tell about the company, so I have joined Slesha INC. So Slesha was established in the year 2017, and they'll be providing the business needs and help building the applications. The Slesha also understands the client requirements and supplies the best and right fit for the required roles. It also helps for all the startups and from there to all the large enterprises as well. They'll be helping in building online, the providing them the exceptional web design and development solutions. So coming to my internship details, so firstly, so I have five things to discuss here. The first one is the opportunity in Slesha, and the other one is the orientation and about my office location, role and responsibilities, and my supervisors at work. And finally, I'll be concluding with my the learnings which I had during my CPT period. So firstly, about the internship opportunity. So I've been looking for a job since I've started my CPT. So I have applied for many jobs via LinkedIn and Monster. So I have got this opportunity for so like one of my friend has referred me to Slesha. So then I know there were like two technical rounds. So after clearing them, like I've got an offer letter from Slesha INC. So coming to the orientation part on the day one, so we all the team members, like we have introduced ourselves. Like there are like eight new members in the team. So like we have shared our the technical experience and all. And coming to the office location, it is located in Texas. And my role there is a full stack Java developer. And my supervisors, I had a team leader whose name is Raghu, and I have a manager. His name is Raghavan. So yeah. So now I'd like to tell about my the project which I worked on, and my role and responsibility in completing the deliverables. So firstly, in the first couple of weeks, most of the time I spent learning about the project. They have provided me the knowledge transfer session recordings, which consists of like all the code structure and the DB setup and all. And in parallel, so I've also worked on the access and the setup and all, getting access to all the company portals, so and all the DBs as well. So then later, after once the setup is done, I have started analyzing the application, and then they have assigned me a one pointer, and my next. So basically, most of my work was involved in development of a new screen for the application, and so I have also worked on the DB connectivity. So once after the implementation is done, so we have used like Jenkins for continuous integration and continuous deployment. So my project is basically it's about the clinical trials. So there we will be having a doctor module and the patient module, and the hospital module where the admin will be logging in to enter the doctor details and the patient details. So we'll also be writing the code logic to dispense a drug to the specific patient to perform a clinical trial on the specific drug. So we'll be designing the database, and we'll be managing the inventory. So this is pretty much about our project. So yeah, so coming to basically the accomplishments here, so I have got to know complete the end-to-end development and deployment of an application, a proper agile system. And there I have also learned analyzing a application and working on a new screens, and developing and deploying using the CI/CD. And so I have created a new APIs, and also for some requirement I have modified the existing APIs as per the business requirement. Pretty much my work all involved after after the development. So we have worked on the deployment part. We have built the Docker images, pull and push operations. So and our project is built up on using the microservice architecture, where we have used the Spring Boot for all the implementation part. And for messaging, we have used the Kafka. And as I said, we have used Jenkins for deployment purpose, and for database we have used Oracle. So like pretty much this is about my internship experience. And actually it was a good learning for me. All this CPT period, my team was like so helpful, and they were always ready to provide the KTs, and they were always supportive. Yeah, I'd like to thank everyone for the opportunity. Yeah, signing off.